Welcome to my channel Tech Truth Reviews Quick Fixes for Netflix Problems on Roku. Troubleshoot in minutes. Netflix not working on Roku? Fix it fast. This 2025 guide covers 10 proven solutions. Restart app, check internet, update software, clear cache, reinstall Netflix, and more. From buffering to black screens, we've got you covered. No tech degree needed. Just your remote and 10 minutes. Save your binge night. Point 1. Hook with the frustration factor. Picture this. You're hyped for that binge watch night, couch ready, snacks in hand. But Netflix on your Roku freezes, crashes, or just stares back with a black screen. Sound familiar? In 2025, with Roku's latest OS updates and Netflix's ad tier tweaks, these glitches hit harder than ever. Point 2. Quick restart, the magic reset button. Start simple. Restart the Netflix app first. Press the asterisk button on your Roku remote while on. Press the asterisk button on your Roku remote while on the Netflix tile. Select Close or Restart app, then relaunch. If that flops, power cycle your whole Roku. Unplug it from the wall for a full 10 seconds. Yes, count it out. Plug back in, and boot up. This clears temporary glitches like buffering or crashes, working 70% of the time per Roku forums. Pro tip. Do this weekly for prevention. Point 3. Check your internet connection. Netflix demands a speedy net. Aim for 5 megabits per second for HD, 15 megabits per second for 4K. Test via Roku's settings, Home and GT, Settings and GT, Network and GT, check connection. If spotty, restart your modem, router, unplug 30 seconds, or switch to wired Ethernet if Wi-Fi's weak. In 2025's crowded 5 GHz bands, channel interference is sneaky. Use your router app to tweak. No speed? Call your ISP. Buffering gone. Point 4. Update the Netflix app. Outdated apps are glitch central. Head to Home in GT, Streaming Channels in GT, My Added Channels, highlight Netflix, press asterisk, and choose Check for updates. If none, remove and reinstall. More on that later. Netflix's 2025 algorithm pushes frequent patches for Dolby Vision and Profile Sync. Skipping them? Expect login loops. Takes 2 minutes, saves hours of headache. Point 5. Update your Roku software. Roku OS 13, 2025's big release, fixes Netflix compatibility bugs. Go to Settings in GT, System in GT, System Update in GT. Check now. If it's current, great. If not, install and restart. Users on Reddit report this solo solving black screens on Roku Ultra models. Bonus. Enables new features like voice search for shows. Don't sleep on updates. They're free firewalls against crashes. Point 6. Clear cache and manage storage. Overloaded cache? It's like a cluttered closet, everything jams. Roku doesn't have a direct, clear cache button, but restarting, point 2, helps. For deeper clean, Settings in GT, System in GT, Advanced System Settings in GT, Clear cache, if available, or uninstall, reinstall apps. Free up space to delete unused channels. Low storage causes Netflix to stutter on 4 GB models like Roku Express. Fresh start, fresh streams. Point 7. Reinstall Netflix, the nuclear option when basics fail, nuke and rebuild. Home in GT, Streaming Channels in GT, My Added Channels in GT, Netflix in GT, asterisk button in GT. remove channel and GT, OK. Restart Roku, then reinstall from the channel store. This wipes corrupted files causing endless loading. AirDroid and LifeWire swear by it for 2025's profile sync issues post Super Bowl streams. Takes 5 minutes, your queue will thank you. Point 8. Sign out and back in. Account hiccups? Netflix might think you're a stranger. In the app, get help in GT. Sign out in GT. All devices, brutal but effective. Relaunch, log in fresh. This resets authentication glitches, especially after password changes or shared accounts. Android Authority notes it's gold for error code 1000. Pair with a VPN toggle if geo-blocks are suspect, but test without first. Seamless logins await. Point 9. Factory reset is last resort if all else bombs. Factory reset. Settings in GT. System in GT. Advanced system settings in GT. Factory reset in GT. Everything. Warning. Erases all apps, settings, and logins. Backup Wi-Fi deets first. Resetup takes 10-15 minutes, but it cured chronic Netflix crashes for Minitool users in early 2025. Post-reset, reinstall Netflix immediately. Use sparingly. It's the turn it off and on again of resets. Point 10. When to call in the pros and AMP prevention tips. Still stuck? Netflix Help Center. Netflix.com/help closing parenthesis or Roku support. Roku.com/support closing parenthesis via chat. Describe your model, e.g., Roku 4K, and error code. For prevention. Update weekly, use Ethernet, and enable auto updates. In 2025, with AI-driven streaming, these keep you ahead. What's your go-to fix? Drop it in comments, smash subscribe for gadget guides, and share if this saved your night. Stream on, friends.